In this video, you will learn how to hide rows in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I want to hide a row number 3. I will teach you two easy method. I will use first method. For example, I want to hide this row number 3. Simply, I will select this row and after that I will right click and go to hide option, and you can see here that the row number 3 is hide now, and it will not print out but it is not deleted. You can unhide it at any time. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Secondly, if you want to hide the rows which are consecutives, simply select that particular rows by holding shift key. For example, I want to hide the row number 3 and 4. I will click on 3. I will hold the shift key and select row number 4. Then after doing that, I will use the second method to hide these particular rows. I will go to home tab, and in home tab you will find the option of format. In format menu you will find the option of hide and unhide, and from here you will select hide rows, and you can see here these rows are hidden now. Similarly, if you want to hide the rows which are not consecutive, for that purpose you will use control key. For example, I want to hide the row number 2 and row number 4. I will select row number 2. Then I will hold control key and I will select row number 4. After doing that, right click, place your cursor here on the row numbering option, and right click, you will find the option of hide. Click on it and you can see here that these rows are hidden now. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.